appearance. Another thing that you can export after you complete coding your data in NVivo 14 is something we call the codebook. It's important that you describe each code. Take, for example, the primary theme here or the primary code, and we click on the code properties. You will see I have created a clear description of my code, which is coping strategies of people with digestive disorders. These are strategies used by individuals with digestive disorders to cope with their condition. So this description will appear on my code book, as you are going to see. Make sure you create very clear descriptions of every code that you have. Every code, right click on it, go to code properties and create a clear description. You can also see here acceptance, defense mechanisms used by individuals with digestive disorders to cope with their condition. That's a clear description. These descriptions will appear in our code book. Let's go to share. We click on the share icon and go to export and export codebook. We want to export a codebook. You can see that NVivo produces a very detailed codebook with the primary themes here. You can put this in bold. These are the primary themes and the sub themes under them, and also a description of what every code means or every sub-theme means. So, for example, acceptance, defense mechanisms used by individuals with digestive disorders to cope with their condition. The codebook is a very important resource for writing your analysis, the discussion section of your thesis, research paper, or dissertation. You can use the codebook for that purpose. I'm going to attach this codebook on the appendix section of the final results report that I will generate from NVivo 14.